Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. This is it guys, this is the first step of my long campaign that is actually the road to Mordheim. The road to Mordheim will start for my players here in this swamp village. I want that you know that all this process was mostly improvisational. I just have this sketch in the beginning. And as you well know, I just proceed during all the process with, problem solving and stuff like that. I want that you stay with me till the end because the grand reveal will be amazing, guys. So that being said, without further ado, let's finish this project. Crack on! These are the dungeon fit pieces, guys. Maybe you remember, they were from my friend Alexander Penner, and these are in MDF. Then we have a Middle-earth strategy battle game piece. This is the Lake Town House, and also this is in PVC, in plastic, so it will be a great kit to put together. At the end, also we will have our terrain and a final house, a mansion, that I will create from zero with XPS folders. Many techniques, many materials. Welcome to this journey. Crack on! This will be the Fisher house. The work could be here. Then we will use this stuff, but we will create more of them. Of course, this will be the manor. Water. This part will be the swamp. Here we have the ground with a lot of vegetation and mud. A lot of mud, for sure. This will be a dry area. And we will have a little bit of starting of the mountain here, so you understand that there's no way through the mountain, just you need to stay in this zone. I like it very much. Before the grand reveal, guys, remember, this channel can exist just because you are supporting it. If you want to see extra content and if you want to, have access to my personal advices and tips and stuff, you can support the channel through Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support this channel. For you, it's like offer me a coffee once a month, and for me also, it's all the support in the world. But now, without further ado, let's have the grand reveal. Wait, guys, before leave, an important message. If you like my work, if you like these videos, if you are watching these videos and you want to see more, please consider to support me on Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support my channel, and also you will get instant access to a lot of material, included my fantasy modeling course that is fully online right now. A big shout out to all my Patreon supporters. You are the reason why I'm doing this, you are my best inspiration, and your support is the reason why I can keep going, I can keep improve and do better and better with you in this beautiful community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!